Hi everyone. This is going to be my video on weblogging. Um, and I wanted to talk about Twitter and my Twitter account and things I've learned about Twitter while doing this module. So I've been familiar with Twitter. I have a personal Twitter account, but I've never really opened one like for work or for school. Originally, when I opened a Twitter account was during my first master's program. And I remember I was so hesitant. I didn't want to open one. I was very hesitant, but it was part of my class, and I had to open a Twitter account. So um, eventually that just turned into a personal one, and I recently opened up a Twitter account um, for school purposes to start my PLN. And so I went ahead and just opened this recently, so bear with me, my computer's running a little slow. Okay, so this is my Twitter account, and you can follow me at MissAranda08. And I don't have that many followers, not too bad for just starting off, but basically, very simple Twitter account. And let me dismiss this real quick. And so here, if you go um, to your homepage, like you could see tweets that you've sent out and retweeted stuff, and so that's that. And then, so Twitter can be a great resource for teachers. I remember when I first started my Twitter account, I followed one of my professors, and I noticed he used hashtags a lot. So he would write like edtech, and if you click on edtech, it's a hashtag, and you can see all the tweets of people that have talked about EdLearn, so EdTech. So for example, this person says how teachers are learning professional development remix. So it's like, articles that people release or different things. So there's different things out there for teachers and learning how to EdTech. Now this is my professor, Bill Selleck, and he's very, very savvy with with Twitter and how to use it for technology. He uses a lot of hashtags, and I learned a lot from him. And so you can search through things for hashtags, edtech or edchat. So sometimes like teachers want to chat with each other, so they'll have like an edchat, and then they'll say, oh, the edchat will start at, see, it starts right here. So what programs should we use for kids? Kids Can Code is talking programming, so Tuesday at 8 p.m. So edchat, and then edtech chat, or they'll have different hashtags so you could see what they're talking about as the chat is starting out. I remember I participated in a couple of these chats. So there's different hashtags for different things. Now the professor had created, for this week, he created the 517 Cadre 24 hashtag. I believe that was a hashtag that he created. And sure enough, all of us, when we were tweeting with this hashtag. So Michelle, one of my classmates, she is tweeting about one of her colleagues, and she's using the hashtag, so I could see what my colleagues are saying. And this is a cool way to connect with one another. I really like Twitter and how they use the hashtags and how they could be useful. Some people don't use it very often or don't hashtag. They say it's a thing of the past, that used to be when Twitter first started, and so on and so forth. But I really like it. I recently connected with what's it called? One of my coworkers. She loves Twitter, so she's a good resource. So people can be really good resources, and I think us that are in this ed tech world, things are always changing, constantly changing. So it's important for us to keep up with those changes as well. One of the things I learned with this module is I learned that you can have widgets. So you could create a new widget, and that's how I created my widget for this account. So you could create a widget, and it'll have your username and all this stuff, and then it says create widget. Since I already created one, sorry, I already created one. which was this one. I created it, and then when I click Save Changes, see right here on the bottom, it has an embed code. And I actually put that embed code on my Weebly account. So in my Weebly account, let's see if I have my Weebly open. My Weebly account, this is actually my other account. Let me just really quickly log into my Weebly. In my Weebly account, I actually embedded this what's it called? This embed code. So it's really easy. Once you create the widget, you can embed it into a website. So for this module, I embedded my Twitter feed. And so of course you can follow me. I'm interested in connecting with other EdTech teachers. So let's see here. Express yourself in words, I believe this is the, so Twitter, and as you can see, this is my Twitter feed. And it's from the widget that we created, that we just created right now. And I copied and pasted. You can embed stuff through Weebly, so you can drag this embed code over here and then embed it, and it shows you right here. Just basically I copied and pasted it from the Twitter widget that I made. So that was something cool that I learned that I didn't know you can do. So that was awesome. So that's basically what I've learned about blogging. It can be a powerful resource and a powerful tool if you know how to use it. And just like anything, it takes time for us to develop that knowledge, and how to, at first it's like, well, what does this mean, or what does that mean? How do we tweet? What do we tweet? You know, what is appropriate to tweet, especially in our personal accounts or in our work accounts. And so that's all takes experience and time to figure out. And once you do, and once you get the hang of it, I mean, it could be a powerful tool. I remember I was talking to this one gentleman. He was my first follower, and he was telling me that he's a principal in England. And it was funny, we were having a conversation, and the similar things that are happening here in the United States are happening in England. And the similar struggles, they may be from different socioeconomic backgrounds, but they're having similar struggles and similar roadblocks as we are here too. So it was nice to connect with somebody like that, because he's not from here and he has a different perspective on things, but yet we're connected because we're interested in EdTech and incorporating that and giving that instruction to our students. So that was great. So I really, really like Twitter. I hope you enjoyed my little video on blogging for Twitter and using Twitter to blog. And that's pretty much it for today. Thank you for watching.